So tell us a bit about yourself before meeting Infinite Wealth. What did your future look like?
My wife and I, we just bought our first home together. We were selling into that. Looking after our mortgage, we'd been quite conservative. We'd always thought of investing in the future, but we hadn't really thought beyond the general concept.
Yeah, cool. And what changed when you met Tim and the team at Infinite Wealth?
I guess it kicked us into gear in terms of actually just stop thinking about it and actually start looking into how we could do it and understanding the whole investment process, because other than the concept of buying houses, we knew nothing about it.
Yeah, okay, cool. Excellent. And what's been your experience with Infinite Wealth since becoming a client?
It was a bit nerve-wracking at first because we weren't certain. We knew there's a lot of people who say a lot of things out there that aren't true and can mislead. So at first we were very tentative about the whole process. But as we've worked through the process, we've become more comfortable with understanding how investment works and how we can do it.
Excellent. And how does your future look now?
It's looking good. We've obviously got the second property and we're getting a tenant in. So now we've got 2 properties, one of our own and an investment. It's been a nerve-wracking 12 months doing the first investment, but we're starting to feel more comfortable with the process and how it's done.
Excellent. And would you recommend Infinite Wealth to your friends and family? And if yes, why?
Yes, if we were asked, we'd never go and actually actively tell people who we're using and what we're doing. Not because of Infinite Wealth, simply because we felt it's something people have to come to their own decision. But if someone asked how we were investing and how we were purchasing properties, we would tell them yes.
Yeah, excellent. And why?
Because it's obviously a very complex process, investment. There's a lot of things that you don't understand. They seem common sense once they're explained to you, but I guess that's what Infinite Wealth has done, is help us understand what we can do and how we can use money. So, yeah.
Excellent. Thanks.
Cheers.